No, it isn't Mama's birthday. It's the 4th of July! Birthday! Yay! The cake is coming! And the,
What kind of cake
and
is
the
it?
mom is going.
Magical cake. Hold on, I'll show you.
Yes!
Max.
Magical!
What is it, different color?
Ooh, okay, that's cool.
Okay, that's really cute.
Watch
I
that.
like that. You give it to the kids. All kids.
You go.
Yeah!
Okay, that's really
Very
cool.
nice.
That's very, very cute. Nice work, Amy. Yes, that is really creative.
Let me see. Face
Here,
it.
hold on.
Turn it this way so I can see the slices.
Oh.
No, the
Oh,
whole cake.
hold on. Let me get one more piece out.
Yeah, please.
Penny.
My mom's gonna love it.
That's really cool.
Yum.
Albert, take.
Very creative.
Where is he? Honey, can you give me a spoon?
Hey.